Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get FLAX in Windrose. Now the way for you to get FLAX is that you have to reach the foothills region as you can see right here. In case you're wondering how to get to the foothills, go over to your journal and go to the discovery right here. The foothills is pretty much the next region that you can unlock once you've defeated the local threat over on the coastal jungle. Don't worry, Thomas Richards right here, which is the local threat for the coastal jungle, is pretty much part of the main story, so you won't really have a problem trying to find where he is. Now once you've defeated Thomas Richards, you pretty much have unlocked the foothills, and one of its key discoveries is the FLAX fiber. Now you can find FLAX just about everywhere in this area, right over here. As long as you see any shade of blue, you pretty much have found FLAX. And once you do pick up some FLAX, you could have a chance of getting some FLAX seeds, which you can place down for farming inside your base so you won't have any problem trying to find them. And that's pretty much about it on how to get FLAX in Windrose.